So today I'm super excited to talk to you about our brand new product update for the MK3 RS logo PUDDLE units. We've replaced the OEM clear faceplate with an OEM style matte black plate. The clear lens doesn't light up and the two separate materials occasionally caused water ingress. This new design gives a truly OEM look and allows us to have a full one-piece waterproof unit. Next, we've taken the logo rotation screw and we've removed it. Previously on the rear, it's now located on the face of the projector itself. So obviously when you've got water sitting on the top of the unit, it can cause water ingress. This will now completely eradicate that. And finally, to secure the unit in place, you use a locator screw. We were made aware that a couple of customers were having issues with the screw not lining up, so we've completely taken away the circle hole for the screw and replaced it with a loop. This will now fit on every single application. Finally, and most excitedly, we've replaced the solid blue RS logo with a blue logo and a white outline, giving it a more traditional look. And the best part is we've slashed the RRP, previously £50, now just 36 quid. All the improvements at no additional cost.